Hi everyone, here we are at the Salvation Army. So we're going to walk around the Salvation Army and take a look to see what we see that's new. And I said we because Amethyst Adventures is with me. Let's do this, guys. Now, normally she's in the opposite area of where I am, and we're usually trying to gather pieces so that we can decorate an in-store vignette for you. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've been with me for a while, or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now remember to click that like button because every time you do, this helps me to grow. And watch the video. Also comment below because I would love to hear from you. I'm going to go ahead and leave you to a little bit of music while I show you around. And I'll see you in the end. Okay, so now I'm going to be picking some pieces so that I can set up my side of the vignette on the location of the store that I chose. And then Courtney's going to be doing the same to set up her vignette at a certain area location right here in the store. And I cannot wait to show you. So now I was really blessed to find pieces in blue and white, chinoiserie chic. And so I decided to go ahead and place these pieces together and create a vignette for you. And that's what I'm doing. And then we're going to head on over there and check out to see what Courtney's doing because I lost her. Let's do this, guys. Now I'm absolutely loving how this vignette turned out. I can't wait to see what Courtney has. Let's go over there and check it out. Now don't forget to like, comment, and share. Let's go talk to Courtney.
So check out my vignette. Love the candles with the pink florals and all the silver accents on a silver tray. Beautiful.
Absolutely gorgeous.